Welcome to another series launch, guys. And yeah, so we as a Euron committed for launching a back-to-back series to fulfill all of your learning needs. And again, yeah, so we are living in an age of AI where we are trying to use AI a lot in our day-to-day life. So obviously, we have to make sure that whatever AI, whatever knowledge which is required to build AI, which is required to work with an AI, we are supposed to fulfill and we are going to provide it to you. So keeping that in mind, so there is a new series that we are going to start called as RAG Masters, Retrieval Augmented Generation Masters, which is going to start from 28th of May. As you can see, we have mentioned a date over here. Now, so as we all know that agentic AI or RAG or maybe generative AI, so all these topics are pretty much important, and all of these topics are important in such a way that whenever you are going to build any AI system nowadays, you are going to use any of these technologies right under the hood. So now, keeping that in mind, this entire syllabus has been designed, so where we are going to talk about each and everything from ground up. And here, so we are going to learn to combine LLM with the external data source using a vector DB. So again, vector database wise, we are going to talk about FAISS, Facebook AI semantic search, a ChromaDB, Waybeard, Pinecone, many things. Embedding wise, so we are going to talk about even a Euron embedding inside this one. Prompt engineering, build an intelligent context aware application that retrieve and generate the accurate real-time responses. So all of these things we are going to discuss. And personally, I'm going to deliver this entire series, as you can see. And here, so every Monday, so after this 28th, every Monday we are going to release this entire series, so that it is going to fulfill your learning need at the end of the day. And just to go through a syllabus once, guys, believe me, it's an amazing syllabus that I have created. It's a like end-to-end in-depth syllabus we have created. We are not leaving anything unturned inside this syllabus. So whether it's a LangChain based implementation or Llama index based implementation, everything we are going to talk about, whether it's an evaluation, everything means literally everything we are going to discuss inside this one. And then last but not the least, we are even going to talk about the project, right? We are even going to talk about the project. And again, so to access all of these content or the series, you are not supposed to pay anything extra. So if you have Euron Plus, maybe a monthly subscription if you have taken, or maybe a yearly subscription, so where you will be able to get a discount, right? So for an Indian user, so it's a 3499 per year, and for like a outside India, so it's a $99 that we have kept, and monthly is basically $10 that we have kept. So all of you are going to enjoy, all of you are going to get each and everything just in this much, right? Just in this much. So because we are trying to build a OTT platform for an education. So hope all of you are going to like it, guys. And yeah, so if you have any kind of a doubt, if you have any kind of a concern, question, anything, so please let me know. We are here to solve your doubts. We are here to resolve your concerns, and we are here to provide you a best of best learning experience that you are looking for. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care.